What's going on, my people? Today is a beautiful day here in the Handyman 2.0. Man, I love the sun. It's about time. So today we have freaking Frack came out. Yep, they came out to be with us, loving the sun. And we have a lot to do. So I have been digging out this vegetable garden bed because I'm sick and tired of pulling out weeds, as you can see. And now this maple tree here has got some roots, but I don't care. It's so nice outside. Nothing can bring me down. Ew. That's a lot of shit. Anyways, so we got some stuff to do. So like I said, take out this bed, throw it over there on that pile, and then hopefully that's what we're going to be doing. As you can hear, people are cutting the grass, so everybody is out today. Today is the day, ladies and gentlemen. No more rain on the forecast. Plus, today is going to be 18 degrees. It's gonna be a beautiful day out here. That's right. Okay, so I figure you guys come with me. Let's go get the axe together. Like a group. You know, like a team. Go team! Oh, silence! Those birds are like Velcro to my shoulder. They don't want to be alone. They never want to be alone. Still looking kind of lumpy. The squirrels are just digging up, trying to hide their nuts in there. Okay, and let's see here. We still got some work to do on her. She's got some electrical problems. Not a problem right now, because I'm not dealing with it. Alright, where's the axe? You know, it's like you want this plus 18-degree weather, and then we're crying. I almost lost a shoulder there. We're crying, sweating already. Let's see what we got here. Oh, yes, please. You want some? They're not gonna last in the heat. We got her. A little miniature one from Viking. It's an Amazon thing, don't get all excited. And now, let's take a 2-minute break. Alright. I hope you guys are seeing what I'm doing here. See the big root from the tree beside us? There goes that thing. Where's it going? Under the fence! Come on now! Oh, we have another one? Not anymore. Alright. I tried some of that filling the garden bed with some compost and some wood and then some branches, whatever they call that, I'm not sure. I'll probably put it up on the screen. And that's why you're seeing all this wood and some paper, plastic. I don't know if that's wrong. Alright, where's she at? She's going somewhere here. Oh man. Oh, there she is. That's a big one. Yeah. Alright. Right here, I'm not sure how I can do that right against it. Done, one shot. There you go. Alright, we're almost done digging here. Okay, check that out. Alright, oh yes. Another one? Oh my god. Perfect. Alright, now I'm going to grab the rake. Rake is the level and see how far I went down. Right? Yes? Yes. Thank you guys. Alright. Just in case I lose a finger. Actually, let's bring you guys right up to it. Change my mind. Let's have a little. It's like a juice, you know? It's like a juice, man. Okay, let's continue. Alright, let's see what's going on here. Get some of these roots out. Hey, silence. Hey, leave the birds alone. Attenzione, attenzione. Okay. I don't think that's bad. Let me know if you guys think of anything that I'm going to have a problem with that I should change. what I should have done, or I should do. Okay, Miss Bonnie and Clyde. You guys want to get out? We're having fun there, hanging upside down on the cage. Okay. Next step. Skill saw. Drill. Drill bit. Screws. And the wood is already in the backyard. So let's get framing. I'm gonna use 4x4 posts. I know it's an overkill, but it's what I have. So I'm gonna use the 4x4 posts for the corners, and then screw fence boards, which I think they're half inch by 6 inch, and that's going to be on the outside. We're going to double it in height, throw some more dirt in, fix it, and then let's get planting. Can you see it? Probably not. What are you guys tripping out on? Yeah, you're freaking out. Alright. Let's see what we brought. We got drill bits and whatever those are. We got a hammer. We got a gorgeous DeWalt 20 volt max lithium ion drill. We got some screws. They're not deck screws, so don't come at me. I just have about 300 million of these bags. We're not sponsored by Husky, even though that'd be kind of cool. Tape measure. We got a speed drill. It's a wired one. That's why we got the extension cord. We got 3 1/4 inch screws. Nope. Nails. And we got a skill saw. Like literally, skill saw. Okay, and that's it. Cut. Drill a pilot hole for the screws, or we can just bang in some nails, hammer, measurement to put the screw in to make the holes, so we're not going back and forth, and then a bunch of the attachments. Alright, so now I gotta go under there of the unthinkable. Pum, pum, pum. Okay, so we do have a little bit of a cracked tip. A speed square. Damn it. Oh, we're not going to do that. Okay, what you do here is Okay. Here's my speed square. Alright, let's see which crack is the worst. About right there. Yep, we're doing this, guys. Okay, this might get loud. I will be putting maybe some music. Put a little bit of weight on that so it doesn't go flying. So let's measure. Okay, there it is, no more there. Let's get our speed square. Wait, let's at least line it up right. Now it's 2 feet. We're going to be doing it this way because this side here is a bunch of cracks. Let's see, 2 feet. 2 feet is right here. Famous speed square. That's a little crooked. Right. Oh yeah. Yo! No, Lucas stayed home today for the long weekend.
Alright, if you get a chance, look in your marketplace. I'm looking for a side cover, a side pocket for the battery side of my bike. I was talking on the phone, talking to my new neighbor.
Yeah.
I took the bike off the stand, it slipped off the stand, and the friggin' bike came over, broke the friggin' case. The case was off, I was charging the battery.
Oh shit.
So it popped the battery, the case in half.
Yeah.
And it was plastic. Is that bike on plastic or metal?
Plastic.
It's plastic. That's a 750. It would not be the same. It would be a different configuration. Yeah, it's mine is a 750. Shadow. 1100 shadow. If you see anything in marketplace, let me know. I need to get one.
It's the side battery cover?
The battery cover.
Okay.
Other than that, everything good?
Everything good. I retested
The battery?
the battery. Yeah, it's still at 209. It still says poor on it.
Oh, 209 is good, buddy.
Even though it said poor.
No, 4 is the number you dial.
No. Poor. P-O-O-R.
Oh, don't worry with that. That's all bullshit.
Oh,
Don't
okay.
worry with that. Sometimes because you put 420 amps as a dial.
I think it was 4 or 5. Yeah.
Yeah. So when you put that kind of amperage, it's gonna give you the average of that.
Oh, I see what you're saying because I put it so high.
I left it at high because you use it for your car also.
Ah, gotcha. So 209, yeah. And I started her up and she started like one shot, man.
Yeah, so you gotta understand these things.
Yeah.
If you don't understand it, you won't know how to read instrument. So the number we put in is not the number that you're gonna get from the battery.
Right.
Yeah, that's an average I put in. So that's why I said whenever you put it across the battery, like you have 1 to 29, that's too low. 200 amps.
Yeah.
Beautiful. You got it.
Yeah, 209, something like that.
Yeah. That's it. So that's how you got it. Yeah, no problem. Yeah, man. So the bike is a little matter of what I'm buying with the lift, like I do. That you can hand on the gas,
Oh. Shit.
All those years I never drove the bike in the backyard.
Really? Yeah, eh?
Things happen, buddy. Things
It's
happen.
true. And you know what? They're heavy.
In marketplace, I gotta get out here just now. I rode
Yep.
some to the bank.
Yeah.
And when you get out, and if you see anything on marketplace, batteries I cover for 1100.
1100. Okay, no problem.
Thanks, man.
Okay, no problem. All right. Okay.
Yeah, bye.
Bye. Well, that was that. Father-in-law dropped his 1100 Shadow. Broke the battery cover. Now he wants me to keep an eye on marketplace for a new one. Okay, so anyways, we got 2 feet done. Now I need another. Another 80 inch by 24 inch. Alright. These might look a little rough. I got these free from a lady that did her deck. And there's no way I was going to let that go. There's a huge pile of wood. Deck boards. 2x6, 2x4s. It was crazy. So much wood. I made 2 trips. So it was 80, I think, right? Right, guys? I don't know. So let's recheck our pre-cut one. So our pre-cut 80. Ding 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 ding. We know Chicken Dina. Speed square. Put a little past that. Get over here. There's a little struggle there. there's a big warp down the middle here. Yeah, let's cut this end. 2 feet right in the knot. Oh, I love it when it's like that. Who wants to see this saw jump? Getting hungry. Oh, shit. All right. Let's put you guys in the shade here. Okay, so now let's think about this. Now, if we put it like this, it's a good height, but not the best height. But if we double it, ew, what a cut. Oh my god. I should get his feet square. These cuts are not the best. But then again, it is a garden. So what do you think about that? That's a nice height. For the bed? Perfect. This dangling string of the hat is getting me worried. Couldn't cut that. What a beautiful cut. Okay. So we're gonna need 4 of these. That's one. Another one. Can I put this higher? No, it's as high as it goes. 3. Okay, we need one more. One more, we can start building. Everybody's cutting. Everybody's out enjoying the day. Waka waka waka! I love the smell of wood. Oh no, a knot. Struggle is real for that skill saw. So now, I hope I did this right. I was going to say, these look too small. Right? And then, let's see, this one. Oh no, it's not too small. Oh, the cuts are just, my goodness. Please don't look at the cuts. Good, you guys are not even looking at it. Oh yeah, you were. Okay, so I wasn't thinking. I said I needed 2 boards, but that's if I was going to make it a single, like that, right? And my plan is to make it a double, like this, so we need 4 boards. Now, do we have the 4 boards? I don't know. Shh, that's a secret. Let's continue. We've got no time to cry about it. So, we're gonna drill 4 pilot holes. Then with our trusty DeWalt, we're gonna be screwing them in. There's no reverse on this. This is straightforward. Ooh. And she has a depth adjuster. It stops you so you're not going too deep, making the hole too deep. Nothing like a deep hole. Alright, enough of the shenanigans. Okay. Now, everything here is all over the place, so let's just grab what we can. Oh, yes. So I'll show you guys how to use this. So if I don't use this stopper, it's just going to go right through the whole thing. Well, not through the whole thing, but you know what I mean, right? So let's say I wanted it to stop here. So we would drop this down, this little plunger looking thing, tighten it, and therefore it'll drill and then stop you from drilling into this. See that? Oh, Makita, you will never know. Oh, am I gonna make 4? 1, 2, 3, 4? Yeah. Okay. In my pocket, a tiny little piece of plastic. I noticed the birds are nice and quiet, so they're sleeping. Come over here. Okay. Now we need a Phillips that sits in here nicely. I don't want him to start stripping and causing something like this. I don't know if you can see that, but that's cracked. Okay. Oh boy, we don't have anyone. We don't have any volunteers. Huh. Interesting. Nope. He does the job, but he's a little loose. And we don't want them loose, see. Aha. Right there. PZ2. Whatever that means. Okay. And that's how we'll do it. Wait, let's do right, and I'm going to do 2 on the other end, because if I do the 4 here and I'm not straight, it's going to be quicker. I didn't bring 4 screws there, I don't know. Go, D-Walk, go. Wow. That one almost went through the whole thing. Take it easy. Wow. It's like 26 degrees outside. Okay, so it's about 2:40 right now. I'm a little due for a hunger strike, so I'm gonna devour a nice crispy chicken sandwich and sit in the garage here and watch some YouTube. Alright. Oh, if you guys never watched this guy.
Right here behind me is my Sportsman 19 Island Reef. I absolutely
love watching
am
this guy.
in love with
This
boat.
is the skiff
It's
guy.
A tank on the water. It's
He
fast,
rebuilt
it's sleek, it's
boats.
capable of sporty conditions. To be honest, it's
And I really like watching him.
Welcome on board our new Triangle
He's a real cool guy.
Jet Rewards partnership.
Are you ready to eat?
Ensure your accounts
You want some?
are securely linked.
Yes?
In the event you shop or fly with us, earn Canadian Tire miles.
Oh, the buckles, yes. Alright, so we're gonna eat, and then if we can get up after we eat,
Before assisting others.
we'll head back out there and finish that one
And earn twice. Link today and watch your rewards
flower bed,
take off.
garden bed, whatever it is. You know what I'm talking about. But let me watch Mr. Anthony here from the Skiff Guy.
What I'm talking about. Because when I get on the water, I'm cruising down the
This guy's
intercoastal
cruising all the time,
waterway.
man. And he's
This
just
windshield is
loving
in
those
terrible
boats.
condition.
So,
this is exactly how I got
let me
it.
watch some
It looks
YouTube
like
while
they
I
put
make my
some
YouTube
epoxy to
channel
try and
and
piece it back
videos.
together, but we're missing a
And,
chunk right here.
See you in a
Let's
bit.
keep it real, bro. If we weren't missing that chunk, I could probably slap a piece of tent on here and call it a day.
Call it a
But
day.
that is absolutely